everyone, I am Anggunur Imani. I'm glad to be here with you today. The main focus of this presentation is the benefit of using Google Classroom for online learning. Let's start by looking at according to 2014. Google Classroom is a blended learning platform developed by Google for Schools that aims to simplify the creations, distribution, and assignments of assignments in a paperless way. Google Classroom enables teaching and learning to be more productive and meaningful by simplifying assignments, increasing collaborations, and fostering communication. Teachers can create classes, assign assignments, send feedbacks, and see everything in one place. Now, I'd like to turn to the many benefits of online learning through Google Classroom. These are the benefits of studying with Google Classroom as said by Bates and Wolf. That it is enhanced interactivity. It is because online distance learning that is carefully designed and implemented can increase the level of learning interaction between students and learning materials, student and teachers, and between student and other students. Students who are separated from other students and also separated from the teachers will feel more free to express opinions or ask questions because no other students are physically observing them. Next, I'll focus on the time and place flexibility. For the reason, students can interact with learning resources at any time according to the availability of time and wherever they are. Because learning resources have been packaged electronically and are available to be accessed by students through online learning. Likewise, the task of learning activities can be handed over to the teachers as soon as they are done, without having to wait until there is an appointment to meet with the teachers. And there is no need to wait until there is free time for the teacher to discuss the results of the implementation of this task if desired. In the next section, I will show you potential to reach a global audience. In that case, online distance learning that is flexible in terms of time and place makes the number of students who can be reached by learning activities through online learning is widely open to anyone who needs it. Space, place, and time are no longer obstacles. Anyone, anywhere, and anytime a person can learn through his interaction with learning resources that have been packaged electronically and are ready to be accessed through online learning. Then I will mention easy updating of content as well as archivable capabilities. Due to the facilitate available in online learning technology and various software that continue to develop by also help facilitate the development of electronic learning materials. Thus, the refinement or updating of packaged learning materials can be carried out periodically in an easier way according to demands of scientific development. In addition, updating the presentation of learning materials can be carried out both based on feedback from students and on the result of the teacher's assessment as the person in charge or supervisor of learning materials. That brings us to the end of the presentation. I'd like to summarize by saying utilization of learning by using Google Classroom has a positive impact that can be seen from the four benefits. that is enhanced interactivity, time and place flexibility, potential to reach a global audience, and easy updating of content as well as archivable capabilities. I can see that our time is just about up, so to finish, I'd like to say thank you.